Hook. Meetings don't move work, actions do. In this video, I'll turn a messy 45-minute meeting into a clean action plan in under 5 minutes using AI. Bullet summaries, owners, deadlines, next steps, and auto follow-ups. If your calendar is chaos, this will save your week. Value. We'll import the transcript, define roles and goals, and extract decisions and open questions. Then we'll turn notes into tasks with owners and due dates, group them by project, and push them to your task manager. We'll create follow-up emails that recap decisions and ask for missing inputs. We'll also build a nudge automation that checks status after 3 days and pings owners with context. You'll see how to label risks, dependencies, and blockers so your team works them. Plan, not the meeting. Call to action. Want the meeting to action template? Drop action in the comments and grab the automation recipe in the description.